Good morning, everyone. This is Tamra Ulmer with Arizona Resource Realty, and I am here today at our newest listing at 204 South Thunder Ridge in Payson, Arizona. As you can see, beautiful custom home. The home was built in 2022. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and wow, it just has an overall really nice floor plan, very spacious. Walking into bedroom number 1. Okay, so really nice rooms, nice new carpet. Everything is new in here. Never lived in, from what I understand, and really some great features in the home. This one's going to be really popular. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Okay, so really nice granite countertops. Very nice white cabinetry, as you can see. Let me get my hands free here. Let's walk in here. Now we have bedroom number 2 right here, and it's a pretty spacious bedroom. Has a nice sized closet. And then we're walking over to the laundry area, as you can see, separate laundry room. And then the main bedroom, so I would call the main bedroom. And oh, the main bathroom, okay. Love this bathroom. It just is very spacious, very nice. There's your water closet. Take a look at that full glass shower. And then further back in, you've got a nice size walk-in closet. Just overall, really a nice main bathroom. Let's turn the lights on. That might help, huh? Really a nice setting here. So, okay. So, main bedroom and a nice size closet. Really nice. You've got your closet there. All right. Okay, so let's see what else here. Listed at $449,000. And you can see outside here that, I guess it would be a custom cabana with the grill on there. That used to be part of the HOA that was here. The HOA has been dissolved. There's no longer an HOA. And so the lot is just what you see with this gravel here. It's not a really large lot, but just take a look at the home. None of the lots out here are very large, but these homes are beautiful custom homes, okay? What else? Yeah, just went on the market. If you're interested in seeing the property in person, getting more information, please give us a call, 928-474-2550. So until next time, make it a great day.